going on, everybody? Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and today we are in Leavenworth, Kansas. We're installing a pondless waterfall here in the front yard of this house. The homeowner, pretty handy, has some land out here, tractor, some equipment, and definitely no stranger to getting his hands dirty and working around the yard. So he purchased one of the pondless waterfall kits from Aquascape, and he took a stab at this thing himself. He got the reservoir in and started setting some of the rocks and trying to figure out the placement on things, and he really figured out at that point that he wanted to have somebody else come in and basically finish the construction of the waterfall because, well, he didn't want to screw it up. So anyway, what we've had him do at this point is, even though he had the reservoir in and everything, we just had him pull it all out because we're going to go ahead, reconfigure things a little bit. So we had him fill everything back in, take out all the old components. We're going to reuse the majority of his old components. Going to go ahead and jump into things here and see what we can get done here today. Little story I want to add to this water feature here. The homeowner here was serving in Afghanistan in 2005 or so, and was actually in one of Saddam's palaces, and his inspiration for this waterfall comes from one of the water features that he had in his palace. And one of the reasons that was so important to him is it was one of the only places where he could seek any kind of peace and just have a moment to think. He said that while viewing this thing, that whenever he got his forever home and had a place where he could do so properly, he wanted a water feature that was something like this that could just remind him of the peace and tranquility.